And it was like hearing into the future.
It's possible that I heard the sounds of the universe.
Like a space odyssey. It's actually an experience that takes you out of this world. It's a fusion of the future plus really ancient instruments.
Really deep sounds, the deepest I think I've ever gone in a sound healing experience.
Very quickly brought me to a very deep state of relaxation, a deep meditative state.
That there was so many gongs in the room, but it was very seamless and harmonic.
You could definitely feel the vibration in the body. You could feel the vibrations throughout your whole body.
For me, it was an evolution of sound, an evolution of the sound bath, a gong bath.